friends, my name is Miss Bailey and welcome to this week's STEAM activity. So our activity this week is going to be something similar from what we did from our last activity. Was the balloon parachute. But rather than a balloon parachute, we're going to be trying a coffee filter parachute. In your take-home kit, you should have one coffee filter that has 2 holes poked in them, a plastic cup that has beans in them as well, one fuzzy thing, 2 pipe cleaners, and a cutout figure of myself. Alrighty, let's go ahead and get started. Alrighty, so what you'll want to do is take your coffee filter and take your 2 pipe cleaners. Now, you can start with whatever you like. You can start with the cutout figure of myself, the plastic cup with the beans inside, or the fuzzy thing. I think I'll start off with the cup of beans. So what you'll want to do is take your 2 pipe cleaners and loop them through the holes that are poked inside. You'll want to loop them through the holes that are poked inside the coffee filter. So it looks like that. And let's go ahead and do the next side. Now, I should note, once you get sort of halfway through the pipe cleaner, you'll want to bend it like so. It doesn't have to be perfect, but the more even it is, the less lopsided your parachute will be. Okay, so here's what we have so far. Next, you'll want to take your pipe cleaners and loop them through the holes of the paper cup. So you'll want to secure the ends by you can either tie a knot or twist them. I think I'm just going to twist them. Okay, so here's what our parachute is looking like right now with their little beans inside. Now I'm going to go ahead and test it out to see how it falls. Alrighty, so now we're going to test out our coffee filter parachute with our plastic cup and our beans inside. So let's see how it falls. Alright, so next we're going to try out the parachute with our fuzzy ball to see how that falls. Alright, so now for the next part of this activity, you'll want to take the beans out of the cup and just set them to the side because we don't need them right now. And all you have to do is take your little fuzzy thing and put it in the cup, and we'll see how this falls. Alright, so now we have our coffee filter parachute, but with our fuzzy ball. So let's see how this falls. And as expected, that one fell a little easier. Alright, so now we're going to try our final product, which is the cutout figure of myself. So let's go ahead and see how that works. So as expected, this one had an easier time with falling just because the fuzzy thing is super light. And next we're going to try the cutout figure of myself. All right, let's try it. So you'll want to remove the pipe cleaners from the plastic cup just by untwisting them. All right, and all you'll have to do for this next part is loop the pipe cleaners through the holes that should be poked in the hands of the cutout. And similar to the plastic cup, once you have them looped through, all you'll want to do is secure the ends of them. You can either twist them or tie them in a knot, but again, I just decided to twist mine. Alrighty, well, here is what we got for our final result. Let's see how the parachute falls with our cutout. Okay, so next we're going to try the cutout figure of myself. So let's see how it falls. Wow, nice. A huge congratulations to our winner from the prize drawing. Make sure to check out more of our tutorials on our Facebook page and YouTube channel. and be on the lookout for our next STEAM activity. Bye for now.